You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this car model by French manufacturer Renault. So let's break down how it is to be pronounced. So yes, the brand name is Renault. Renault is generally the good English pronunciation. Renault with silent T and silent L. Renault. French pronunciation of the name is Kadjar, inspired by a quad, and jar, which is a French word for agile. Kadjar is the French pronunciation, the way we say it in France. Renault Kadjar. Therefore, in English, Renault Kadjar. Renault Kadjar. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.